Why do 90% of Android users never touch their bootloader, kernel, recovery or ROM? Let's find out. All right, tech enthusiasts. Picture this. Your Android phone is like a mini computer. The bootloader is the first thing that runs when you power it on. Think of it as the gatekeeper deciding what gets to start. Next, we have the kernel. It's the core managing communication between your hardware and software. Imagine it as the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring everything plays in harmony. Now, on to the recovery. This mode is your phone's first aid kit. It helps you perform advanced tasks like system updates or factory resets. Finally, the ROM. It's the software your phone runs on. Stock ROM is what comes pre-installed, while custom ROMs are like aftermarket mods tailored to your needs. So there you have it. Bootloader, kernel, recovery, and ROM view. The essential pillars of your Android experience. Happy tinkering!